really hot. It's 450 degrees, so don't ever touch it. Since the bowl itself will cook the hamachi yellowtail on the side. So one side will be cooked and one side will be not. On top you have some seaweed, yuzu paste, and in the middle organic egg yolk.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
So underneath there are Japanese vegetables, fermented carrots, second radish, sesame spinach, and senmai. It's a royal form from Japan. It has a texture and it tastes like mushroom. Some sauce, a little bit of spinach, and some sesame seeds. So this dish actually has some history. So back in 1999, Chef Morimoto, the owner of the restaurant, used this dish to compete in Iron Chef back in Japan. This dish was inspired with a Korean dish called bibimbap. Have you heard about bibimbap?
I have not.
It's usually a beef, but since it's a yellowtail competition, that's why he used a yellowtail. But then he almost lost since it's a Japanese competition, but he was inspired with a Korean dish. But since all the ingredients that he used were the Japanese ingredients, so he won being an Iron Chef. And this is his winning dish. Most famous dish in all.
Oh.
That
Are you guys
smells
okay?
amazing.
It is. So if you can see, it's raw when you flipped it. It's cooked.
Gotcha.